Hello everyone, this is Ahmad Makhlouf. Let's continue talking about this Microsoft Excel series. Are you ready? Let's get started. Welcome to the fourth lesson in this series. Today we will talk about how you can use famous Ctrl plus single key shortcuts to save your time. If you look at this Excel sheet, this table summarizes different famous shortcuts that depend on Ctrl plus a single key. These shortcuts are universal across different Microsoft Office applications. Let's start by the first one here, Ctrl plus N to create a new workbook. Let's try it. Currently we are on this workbook. Let's press the Ctrl and N and a new workbook opens for me. Second one, Ctrl plus C. Let's select this cell or this group of cells, press Ctrl C. And of course the other one is Ctrl plus V to paste them. So you click on the destination area and click Ctrl V and the three copied cells will be pasted. Again, you can select the group of cells and instead of Ctrl C, Ctrl X, which will cut them. And again, you can paste them. Ctrl V. To undo any action that you did, like what I'm doing now, you can use Ctrl Z. To save the changes you made, you will press Ctrl plus S. This is really important, especially if you are working on a huge Excel file. You should make sure every now and then that you press Ctrl S to save your work. Ctrl A. Let's try it. If you are inside a selection, Ctrl A will select all this selection. If you are outside the selection and you press Ctrl A, the whole Excel sheet will be selected. Finally, if you are seeking for or searching for a specific letter or word, you press Ctrl F. So here type, for example, copy and find next. Copy selected cells. This is one of the cells that contain the word copy. Is there any other cell in the sheet that contains the word copy? No. Let's suppose I want to replace the word copy by the word India, for example. So you hit on the replace here, find what copy and replace it with India, for example. And then replace. All, replace all. Replace means for this specific cell, replace all, it means throughout the document. Another way of jumping directly to the replace is to hit Ctrl H. And the replace window is open for you. You can again choose to replace a letter or a word or a number with a specific value, either once or for the whole document. Well, this concludes this lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell to be notified every time I post a new video. Bye for now.